Hi, I'm Calista from Chronically Chic. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a mask chain so that when you're not wearing your mask on your face, it's hanging around your neck. You're not hanging it from one ear. You're not stretching out your ear loops by pulling it down. You're keeping it nice and intact while still being conveniently located around your neck.
I am going to go over a classic face mask chain. To make this, you will need jump rings, lobster clasps, chain, 2 thin pliers, and wire cutters. The first step is to measure and cut the chain. I'm going to make mine 20 inches long. To cut the chain, I look for the opening where the link is soldered closed. Now that it's open, we have 20 inches of chain. One jump ring and open it with pliers. This is where I use both pliers. I hold on to one side with one and the other side with the other plier. Twist the sides away from each other. Once it's open, add the jump ring to the very last chain link. Then add the lobster clasp to the same jump ring. Now that the clasp and chain are connected, we close the jump ring by squeezing it shut with the pliers. Then you do the same thing to the other side. That's all you need to make a classic face mask chain.